Good afternoon, class. Today we're going to be studying the science of closed circuitry by using and making our own light bulb. This is an incandescent light bulb which has a tungsten filament. A lot of people think Thomas Edison is the one who created the light bulb. That is not correct, because in 1809 the first known light bulb was created by an English scientist named Hubert Dewey. Because tungsten burns very hot. If it's exposed to oxygen, it'll explode. We're using graphite today, which does not burn that hot, so we don't have to worry about a vacuum. What we are using is a closed circuit with batteries. We're using 8 D-cell batteries hooked together in 2 battery packs. Electricity is like a current. It's going to flow from the negative around to our load, which today the load is a light bulb, back into the positive end of the battery in a continuous circuit. The flow, which is called the current, running through our light bulb, creating heat in the filament. So we have our batteries hooked together, ready to go. We're using a pie plate in order to protect our work surface. I have a piece of 3 inches of a tubing, paper tubing, which I've hooked 2 alligator clips to using black electrical tape. These alligator clips are going to hold our filament, which is, instead of tungsten, going to be graphite. This graphite is used in mechanical pencils for drawing and writing. We're using a 0.5 thickness. Now, graphite is a carbon, just like diamonds are carbon. It's just that they're put together in a different molecular crystalline structure. So here we have our make-believe light bulb with our filament in between. We have our closed circuit voltage source, which is our batteries. And we're going to hook the negative up, so the electricity current, the electrons are going to be flowing from the negative side up through our filament. Now the filament is thin, so it's the point of least resistance. So this is where the heat is going to accumulate, and it's going to produce heat. So I'm going to use a glass jar, a pint size, to represent the glass on the light bulb. I'm going to hook the positive end up, so I'm completing our closed circuit. There's no breaks in our circuit, and you can see that the graphite, our filament, is hot and it's emitting light, and we now have a light bulb representative for our experiment in a closed circuit. Thank you very much.